Hey guys, okay, welcome back. Now we are doing the two syllable words. So here we have, where am I? Okay, perfect, perfect, corner, mermaid, mermaid, dinner, carpet, airport, 15, target, forget, window. Okay, so that's perfect, corner, mermaid, dinner, carpet, airport, 15, target, forget, window. We have the helper words here: from, about, around, new, for, 8. Again, that's from, from, about, ABOUT, around, AROUND, new, NEW, for, FOUR, that's the number, 8, EIGHT, 8. We have the oi words: OI, oi, join, boy. Okay, so oi, oi, boy, oi, joy, oi, toy, oi, koi, oi, soy, oi, roy, oin, join, oil, oid, void, oil, boil, oin, coin, oil, soil, oink, oil, broil, joy, joint, oil, spoil, moist, point. Okay. Now we have the OU, OW. So that's the ow, cow, out, loud, out, cloud, mouse, ouch, found, crouch, out, shout, mouth, count, house, ground, ground, cow, bow, now, crowd, down, brow, brow, plow, crown, crown, fowl, town, how, brown, drown, owl, growl, clown, frown, howl. So that's loud, out, cloud, mouse, ouch, found, crouch, shout, mouth, count, house, ground, cow, bow, now, crowd, down, brow, plow, crown, foul, town, how, brown, drown, owl, growl, clown, frown, howl. Okay.